second part of this question. If a man has a parthenogenic birth, can he produce children?
Now, this is a question which has been long debated, and the answer prior to that was that whatever natural phenomenon we know to occur for being responsible for a fatherless birth of any child, such phenomenon is possible. It is observed in science. But the manner in which they observe this to happen always produces female children, not male children. In humans at least. In animal life it's a different story, but in humans, all the abnormal births which have been noticed or which are scientifically possible if not noticed can only deliver female babies and not male babies. But no more. Now the scientists have come across some new discoveries whereby they are writing articles and they are being published daily or now and then in international newspapers and magazines that the birth of a male child is possible without the participation of a male parent. So it is no longer a mystery. It has been resolved by science.